Cryptocurrency's fucked. They're fucked. There's not going to be a long-term bull trend this time around. I don't think so. I think this is how it goes in precious metals. Like that. That's how it goes. You're not going to be there. Well, I'll scale in. I'll dollar cost average. I'll wait for a dip to buy. It's not going to go down like that. There's not physical metal out there floating around. You can get some right now, but it's already tight. And you know who has the metal? I'll tell you who has the metal. Central banks, nations, and the ETFs. The ETFs, they're not on the exchanges anymore, and there's not a lot of metal out there in the wild for you to buy. That's disappearing. It's going to go like that. Then it's gone. And if you want to get some exposure, you can buy an ETF. You can invest in a mining company. Those can be in a long-term bull run, and you can get some of that. But getting real physical metal in your hand, forget it. It's going to be gone in a heartbeat. The average investor in crypto does not understand the Fed funds rate and quantitative tightening. They don't know what that means. All they know is that cryptos go up. And some of them I know are very smart. They understand the blockchain, and they understand the history of crypto, and they understand how crypto can serve humanity and blockchain, but I don't think that they're putting it together. They think this is just another regular cycle of crypto and it'll be back like it has been. But we've never had crypto in an era of risk off asset management. This is quantitative tightening. Quantitative tightening means the most risky, the most leveraged, the most indebted businesses and institutions go down, and that's fucking crypto, and it's right in your face. And I'm keeping an eye out for contagions, right? We had the second biggest exchange fall, obliterated, okay? And there's all this collateral damage, and it takes some time to seep in. Well, we got confirmation again today. There is contagion. Now I see that a Japanese cryptocurrency exchange has gone under. Not surprising. And we had Michael Burry, the man. He wrote on Twitter today, I long thought the time for gold would be when crypto scandals merge into contagion. We have the contagion. But here's this too. If you want to bet, you think the Fed is going to reverse course and pivot now and try and save the markets with more cheap money, you can bet that. But the cat might already be out of the bag. There's a lot of fraud in crypto. There's a lot of fraud. I think it's a bad idea. And I'm looking at Michael Burry like, and did you also see Elon Musk? He did reply to a tweet from Wall Street Silver. It's on his radar. Wall Street Silver is on the radar. And so Elon's having fun out there with Dogecoin and, buy Doge to $1. Did he ever once bring up silver? He's aware of it. There's too much at stake in silver. And the only reason that it hasn't just completely run out is they understand the game. If they slowly titrate, bring it in, bits at a time, over the long haul, everyone ends up with more metal. For them, not for us. Nope, all the metal will be basically gobbled up by the central banks, by the ETFs, and the ETFs will be the masters then. They'll dole that out for 100 times the cost. And for you to get exposure to that, you're going to buy a fraction of a share. I'm talking about average people, right? It'll be fractionalized. Crypto will be gold and silver fractionalized. It's coming, but they all know what is at stake, and that's why it hasn't run out yet. There's literally, I don't think there's not much time. We're at the end here. The contagion is real. The Fed's not pivoting, and even if they do, it might already be too. I don't think they're pivoting. They might after things fucking break. But if you think a bank is gonna fall before cryptocurrency, you're out of your mind. If you think a business is gonna fall before a cryptocurrency, no. Cryptocurrencies won't be saved by taxes. These banks are really leveraged, but they're bailed out by taxpayers. They get money from the Fed. They get money from the IMF. They're not going to do that for crypto. Cryptocurrency's fucked. They're fucked. You need gold and silver. I think it's your only, you can try and pick a winner in cryptocurrency, but it's not looking good. There's not much time